Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the Gyrotech Nabco Panic Catch Release Assembly. This is for their 1175 or U30 slider Panic Release Assembly. And this video is to really serve as visual and dimensional evidence of the item. Weighs about 0.6 pound. It's a big heavy slab of iron. Okay, that silver colored finish. Got that inserted bearing that's there. Let's take some dimensional properties. Overall, let's say the height, about 1 7/8. Overall depth, about 1.5 inches, with an overall projection right at about 1.5 inches as well. Not an uncommon item, not a common item to sell, but nonetheless one that will, need, after repeated use, certainly be an item that would be maintenance related like any other item on an automatic sliding door. Finally, there is a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Gyrotech Nabco products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. If you have any questions on the Gyrotech Nabco 213468 Panic Catch Release Assembly for the 1175 or U30 sliding door or any other Gyrotech Nabco product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.